Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Clash Royale stuck at 75%. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this basically happens because the game can't fully communicate with Supercell's server or load required game data, causing the freeze at around 75% during the startup process. Now, there are some common triggers that include unstable slow internet connections, server congestions, corrupt temporary files, outdated game versions, etc, etc. So I'm going to run through a step-by-step guide on how to fix this, starting with the most common ways. So the most common way is to close your Clash Royale completely. So open your recent apps, swipe away, then wait a few seconds and simply reopen the game. Now from there, we want to go ahead and check your internet connection. So if you're on a Wi-Fi, try switching between mobile data and trying again, and do that vice versa. Move closer to your router if you can, because a signal that is weak might be causing this issue. If possible, restart your router as well. So turn off for at least 30 seconds, then back on. Now, another fix is to click and hold down the game, click on the eye, and scroll down, click on the storage. Now you want to go ahead and clear cache. Another fix is to make sure we got the game up to date. So click and hold down the app, get an app info, scroll down, click onto app details, install. If it says update, make sure it is up to date. Now, if you're running any VPNs or blockers in the background, go ahead and temporarily disable them, because this might block the Clash Royale server connections. Now, if all else fails, go ahead and uninstall the game and reinstall it, restart your phone.